How to recover Epic Games account without email. To recover your Epic Games account without your email, first of all, you can access the recovery system by going to the official Epic Games account website. Go ahead and launch any web browser of your choice, open the incognito mode. This prevents your browser from auto-logging into any active account. Now, once you do this, you simply have to head to the official Epic Games account, and then during the login, you simply have to scroll down and click the trouble signing in option. Then type in any email address you think you might have used and click continue. Whenever the system displays an error saying it cannot find your account, click the recover account link option. Once you do this, now you simply have to set your new contact email, then locate your lost account using your Epic Games display name, linked account or account ID or invoice ID. Once you do this, you simply have to now complete the verification questionnaire and finalize and submit. And this is how you can recover your Epic Games account even without email.